I think some of the instances of this that have made a lot of headlines are John Deere restricting farmers' rights to turn their equipment back on when they've replaced a part with an OEM provided part, just not by an OEM service rep. And cell phone makers voiding the warranty if you replace your own screen, or have an authorized service technician replace the screen with OEM parts, just not someone who was authorized by the OEM themselves. In our world, it makes a lot of sense for OEMs, for the OEM's sake, to restrict access to servicing because it protects their profit margins. For the end consumer, and in our case, it's soldiers on the battlefield, it's patients in the hospital, and it could be loved ones in any variety of other fields out there. It really limits the effectiveness of that technology embodied in those instruments when the OEMs restrict the equipment owner's right to repair. I think it is also counter to what's uniquely American of freedom of the individual, resourcefulness, empowering the small guy to do amazing things by letting them maintain their own instrumentation, their own tools they need every day to do their trade. And it's artificially restricted often in the name of quality, but so many times these parts and service techniques are automated that it really is a function of margin for the OEMs, where by enabling third parties or equipment owners to choose which third party or do it themselves in servicing their equipment, in our case calibrating it, we enable the speed to return to operations, original operating status, and the cost to do so to dramatically improve, helping us as an economy and them as a company be more dynamic and resourceful, putting profits into the missions that really matter, which usually extend beyond just maintaining your own equipment.